Hi, welcome to Python Programming Session 19. In this session, we are going to discuss about list in Python. We will discuss about creating list, indexing and slicing, updating list, inserting an element and deleting an element in brief. List. When you say list, list is an ordered collection of values enclosed within the square brackets. Each value of the list, we call it as an element, and the list is also similar to an array. But the difference is list can store different type of elements, hence the list are versatile and it can be useful than an array. We can also use indexing and slicing just like our strings and arrays. Indexing represents accessing the elements by their position numbers and it starts from 0. Syntax for creating list is variable is equal to within square braces element 1, 2, 3 and so on. For example, my list is equal to 10, Vidya, VCA, 87, 45, 78, 90, pass. In this example, we have an integer, a string and even a float data type you can store. So that is, a list can hold different type of data. It may be a integer, string, float or a boolean. That is the difference between an array and a list. We have discussed range function already. Range function will generate a series of values in Python. The syntax is range of start value, end value, step value. Start means the beginning value of the series. By default it is 0 and end is the upper limit of the series and it will take only the upper limit minus 1 as the end value because the start value is 0. Step value is optional. It is used to generate the intervals or the skip what you want to apply. Consider this particular example. List 1 is equal to list of range of 1, 10. When you say range of 1, 10, the start value is 1 and the end value is 10. So the upper limit will be considered only end value minus 1. So the value will be from 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. So when you print, you are getting the value like this. Even you can consider this particular example, list 1 is equal to list of range of 1, 50, 2. That is, we are considering the start value is 1 and the end value is 50 and we are going to give a step value of 2. So here it will generate value from 1 to not 50, 49 and the skip value is going to be 2. So it will generate 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. up to 49. So like this, you can create a list using range function. Indexing and slicing. Slicing is used to extract a part of a list from the given list. Or you can create a sublist, a slice of a list. Consider this particular example. My list is equal to 10, Vidya, BCA, 87, 45, 78, 90, pass. Here, if I want to print the my list of 1, my list of 1 will give the value Vidya because the index starts from 0. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So totally we have 8 elements starting from 0 to 7. So my list of 1 will give the answer as Vidya. Consider this example. My list of 1, 4. So the start value is 1 and the end value is 4. So it will consider only upper limit minus 1. So you will be getting the value from 1 to 3. That is BCA, Vidya, BCA 87. My list of 4. There is no starting value, so it will consider it 0. So it will print from 0 to end value minus 1 is 3. So it will print from 0 to 3, that is 10, Vidya, BCA 87. My list of 3. 3 is the start value, there is no end value. Starting from 3, it is going to print all the elements of the list. So that is from 87, it is going to print till pass. This is the output. My list of 3 colon 7. So 3 is the starting index, end index is 7 means the upper limit will be end value minus 1. So it will go from 3 to 6. So it is from 87, 45, 78 and 90 will be getting the output. My list of colon minus 1. This is one of the interesting and special case. This is going to print the reverse of the list. So colon says that the start value and end value will be default value. Minus 1 means it will start from the right hand side. There is a negative index is used. So it will print the values from right to left. So we are getting the reverse of the list. Like this, you can use the index and slicing in your list data structure. Updating a list. We know that lists are mutable. It means the contents of the list can be altered after it has been created. So it means you can modify the list as you wish. We can update the list by giving the assignment operator. Here we can use even the slicing. For example, my list is equal to 10 Vidya, BCA, etc. means now when you say my list of 4 is equal to 65, it will just go and identify the fourth element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth element. So 45 will be replaced by 65. So the output of the list will be 10 Vidya, BCA, 87, 65, 78 and so on. So we can update the list directly by using the assignment operator. Insert function. In some cases, we want to insert an element at any position of the list. So we can use this insert function. Syntax is list.insert of position, element. So here, in this example, list 1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. When I say list 1 dot insert of 2 comma high means this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So after 20 and before 30, I want to insert high. When I print it, I'll be getting 10, 20 high and 30, 40. So insert function can be used to insert an element at any given position. Append function. As the name says, append function is used to add a single element at the end of the list. So syntax is list.append of element to be added. Let us consider this example. List 1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. When I say list 1 dot append of 50, it will just add 50 at the end of the list. So I am getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 and 50. Like this, you can add any number of elements at the end of the list by using append function. Extend function. Extend function is used to add more than one element to the existing list. Append function can add only one element, but extend function can be used to add more than one element. Here, the extend function, multiple elements can be specified within the square bracket as given below. The syntax is list.extend of set of elements within square braces. Let us consider this example. List 1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So now when I say list 1 dot extend of 60, 70 and 80, these three elements will be added at the end of the list. So we get the output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, we have added 60, 70 and 80. That is the use of the extend function. Del statement. Del statement is used to delete the elements of a list when the index is known. For example, when you want to delete an element at the position 2. So I can call del of list 1 of 2. So the input list is 10, Vidya, true, 45 and 67 means when I say list of 2, list 1 of 2, 0, 1, 2. So this will be deleted and I'll be getting the output 10, Vidya, 45 and 67. Even we can use del statement to delete the entire list, del of list 1. So now this list 1 is deleted. If I try to print list 1, it may generate an error statement because the list does not exist. Remove function. Remove function is used to delete elements of a list if the index is not known. That is, you know the element but you don't know the correct position or the exact position of the element. So in that case, you can use remove function. It will remove the first match from the search list. If the item is not found, it will return an error. Consider this example. Same list 1 is equal to 10, Vidya, true, 56, 45 and 78. When I call list 1 dot remove of 56, it will go and directly remove this 56 and the output will be 10, Vidya, true, 45 and 78. When I say list 1 dot remove of true, it will even remove the next element true and it will return 10, Vidya, 45 and 78. It will remove the first match. If you have more than one element with the same element is there, then it will remove the first match. You can refer this book for more information. You can also visit these websites to get more information. Have a nice day.